Well, good morning. Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. All right, folks, as you know, since I came off the road because of my strokes, I've been looking for reliable, high-speed home internet where I could continue to do my live stream video shows, upload recorded content for you all, and things like that. So I've been trying out a few different home internet options just to try to find the best option possible. Well, today I've got the Optimum home internet. It is 500 megabits per second, and I haven't had a chance to do a review yet. It just came in. So what I'm going to do today is just do an unboxing, show you what comes in the box, and then I'll test it out over the next week or so, and I'll come back and tell you what I think about it, give you my overall opinion. This 500 megabit plan that I'm on is currently right around $65 a month. Keep in mind, I'm filming this on May 7th of 2024. If you're watching this video at a later date, plans and pricing and all of that could be different. Up front, as far as what I had to pay up front, was $65. I only paid $25 of that, and they billed me the other $40. So we're going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to let you see what comes in the box. But before I do, y'all give me a thumbs up, share this video on your social media platforms, and make sure you're subscribed so that when I do these videos, you receive a notification. All of the things I suggested are free to do, and so consider doing those things. All right, we're going to cue up the music and get started. Here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round. For my family and for my kids, for this life I want to live. This is why I do this.
Alrighty, we're back, and this is the box, about the size of the box. And so we're going to jump right in and see what's in here. I went ahead and cut the tape so that you wouldn't have to see me fumbling around with a knife. Here is the handy dandy packing slip. That won't help us any. We'll put it off to the side. It says that I have a Gateway 6, and it has a serial number and a part number. Also says I have a jumper cable and a cable install kit. Then this is the most important thing. This is the self-install guide. They did have where somebody could come out to your house and install it for you. I elected to just do it myself. How hard can it be? And it's got fairly decent directions here. I don't know what they are on the back. I guess it's in Spanish. It's real hard to tell. But anyway, we've got those self-help instructions here with the QR code, and we'll use those for the installation. Probably won't show the installation because it's really hard to put stuff together and film at the same time. But I will come back and give you a review. Now, this is the box itself, and we'll put it to the side for just a second. Here is some coax cable. So there's going to be a little more to this than what I thought. Looks like, yeah, there's two of them, two coax cables. We'll put that off the side. I'm definitely going to need the installation guide. And this is, yeah, I was right. This is a splitter with some nails to where you can hide the cable, things like that. So we'll take a look at that later. And then that box is empty. We'll set it off to the side. Now we'll get to the box that everybody is curious about. It's got the Gateway insignia on the front of it. And opening it up, why won't it open up? There it goes. Wow, okay. If I don't drop it and break it. Here we go. In the box, we've got the modem. Just a pretty standard looking modem. It's got, looks like two ports on the back and then that one down there, but that's, I believe that's where your main service will go. And we'll set this off to the side for a second. Let's see what we got here. This would be your power supply, nothing unique or exciting there to talk about, just a pretty standard supply. And then, if we go further in the box, we have got two plastic pieces. I'm gonna assume, yeah, these are gonna be like the base plates to make it sit flat. It's got some cushions on the bottom of it, things like that. And then we've got Ethernet cable. And so I'm gonna get this set up, and that's all that's in the box. And then after I've used it a few days or a week or so, I'll come back and make a follow-up video and tell you my thoughts on Optimum and if it's a service I would recommend for you guys. All right, until the next one, y'all take care. We'll see you. Bye-bye.